Launch CR3001, the ultimate entry-level choice in ease and affordability for any DIY user. When the engine fault is on, it will cause the following problems: serious environmental pollution, increased fuel consumption, increase in temperature, increased engine noise, etc. Launch CR3001, fast scan and delete engine error. Turn off engine light. Find out what is wrong with your car and perhaps fix it. Save money and time. CR3001 supports complete 10 models of OBD-II Tests, including read full code, delete full code, readiness, data stream, freeze frame, O2 sensor test, onboard test, EVAP system, read vehicles information, DTC code lookup, multi-language display, English, Russian, Portuguese, Spanish, German, Italian, French. Vehicles coverage European, America, Asian, which compatible with OBD-II protocols. The OBD-II scanner's mini size fits comfortably in the palm of your hand, so that you can carry it around, no matter in garage or on a trip.